Yeah, I mean, if you brought up the New Zealand series, and in New Zealand series itself, he had two really good innings, wherein whatever target that we had got, he managed to remain not out in one of them, scoring 75 odd, and he got another innings in the same series. So even here, if you see, he's getting good starts. In the previous game, he was batting really well till the time he erred in his shot selection. But from our point of view, he's an important player for us, and we know that if he gets going, he can give us that solidity, and it's always vital to have that right-left combination going. So he's a hugely valuable player for us, and we are expecting to come to for him to come good very soon. Yeah, I mean these games are really valuable opportunities for all players concerned, and even for us, so that the players are at their utmost best when we go into the World Cup. But not to forget that even in the last game that we played in New Zealand, he scored a match-winning 90. So today's ball that he got could have gotten out any batsman, because with that sort of a pace and low bounce. So uh, you know, players need to eventually take their chances, and that's what we are expecting of all players to do. I don't think so, because at various junctures, various players have chipped in. If you look back on the match in Melbourne, wherein we required 300 to get, or sorry, in Adelaide, we had 300 to chase. MS Dhoni stepped in and he helped Virat get to that score. Dinesh Karthik contributed in that match. Even if you see the first match of this series, Kedar Jadhav and MS Dhoni again got together. So it's not that we are over reliant on one particular individual, but the thing is that the level that Virat has raised his game to, uh, that only, it's because of that the other performances of the other players seem to not seem to be so special as what he's been doing. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बल्लेबाजी करी, और हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, क्योंकि आज जो हमारा काफ़ी एक अहम फैसला था चेज़ करने का, वो इस बेसिस पे था कि काफ़ी ड्यू आएगा, और 7 बजे के बाद हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि ड्यू काफ़ी आएगा। जो ग्राउंड्समैन ने हमें रिपोर्ट भी दी थी, हमने चेक भी किया था, तो कल काफ़ी ड्यू था, और उसी की वजह से हमने गेंदबाजी करी, और ड्यू ना आने की वजह से जो टारगेट था वो चेज़ नहीं हो पाया, क्योंकि बॉल काफ़ी नीचे रह रही थी, और मैं समझता हूँ कि ड्यू ना आने की वजह से काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ा। और विराट का, जैसे आपने कहा कि देखिए, वो हर बॉल में कन्वर्ट करना चाह रहे थे, और अगर वो और कुछ और समय तक रहते विकेट के ऊपर, तो ज़रूर मतलब ऑस्ट्रेलियंस के ऊपर काफ़ी और दबाव होता। Well, at times it's important. It's actually it's good that there is a very small turnaround between matches, because if there is too many gaps, then player has that much more time to think. The best part for any player is to get back into action and give it another shot. So I mean, in fact, I am very pleased that the next game is starting day after tomorrow. Well, he's somebody who constantly looks out on an area for improvement, and he does that on a regular basis. And probably that is the reason why he has raised the game to such a level. And taking no credit away from the way Australians batted, I felt Finch and Khwaja really batted well. And at one stage, they were just one down for 240 odd. So they were in a great position. So credit to them. But from our point of view, it's that the constant quest of excellence that Virat possesses is a phenomenal factor, and it's an example for any aspiring youngsters to follow. Well, you can ask these questions to him, because he would know better. थोड़ा ऊंचा ऊंचा बोलेंगे, क्योंकि अच्छा, आप मेरे 15 में या प्लेइंग 11 में? या ऑब्वियसली मतलब कुछ चेंजेस ज़रूर होंगे क्योंकि माही मैच नहीं खेलने वाले आखिरी दो, ये उनका इसके बाद वो रेस्ट ले रहे हैं, तो वो दो मैच नहीं खेलने वाले, तो उनकी जगह ज़रूर एक जगह बनती है। और आज शामी को भी चोट लगी है पैर में, तो हमें ये भी देखना होगा कि परसों तक वो फिट हो पाएंगे या नहीं। अगर वो फिट नहीं होते तो भुवनेश्वर कुमार भी खेल सकते हैं उनकी जगह। तो वो सारे डिसीजन कप्तान और कोच जो है वो मैच के पहले लेंगे। नो नो, ही इज टेकिंग अ ब्रेक। या विराट विल बी प्लेइंग। As of now, there's nothing. But if there is anything, obviously our media team will let you know.